Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations, and I trust God you all are doing great. Today I'm here with another sewing project. Recently one of my friend came to me and she asked me if I can make a belt for her dress. This is her dress which I already have altered, and I come up with the idea about the corset belt which will give her perfect fitting, especially this going to divide her upper and the bottom part of her dress and give this dress a neat and a new look. This corset belt always in a fashion because you can create it a different kind of length and width, or you can use a different kind of decorative stitches, you can use a different kind of cords and strings, or even play simple. This project is inspired by our this year VBS Belt of Truth, where we had to teach kids how to create a belt out of a craft paper. We had to use a string and then punch hole and decorative tape, and kids had lots of fun. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy so much this project, and you are going to learn some tips and techniques related with this project. Let's go ahead and start it. So here's the material we have needed for our today project. I have a satin silk fabric piece which is 38 inches long and 11 inches wide. You can take whatever size you want, but I want for my friend little wide one which can give her a nice look on her plain dress. Then exactly same length, I have needed interfacing which is same 38 inches by 11 inches. And the simple thing I can suggest you, just take your waistband measurement and just reduce 2 or 3 inches from that, so you can have little gap when you are using a corset. You can do adjust a fitting. Then we need a cord. You can do any kind of, or you can make your own. I have teach in my previous videos how to make it with the different sizes. I will definitely put a link in the description box so you can learn that thing as well. So if you notice, I have a crease in the center of my patch, which is because I don't want to cut my patch into two patches. Rather than cutting into two patches, I just have made a crease with my iron, and simply I can just easily fold it. So first of all, we're gonna do the thing. We are going to attach our interfacing on a back, and this interfacing is a little thicker, so our belt, corset belt, can have a little bit of thickness, but you can use whatever you have in your hand. First we are going to iron this so they both can attach together, and the second thing which I will be doing, I'm going to take 1 inch fold from both sides, and after that then we will be just stitching on side. Okay, so let's first go ahead to ironing board and attach this together, and also fold from the sides 1 full inch. So here is our patch ready to sew. I just have a folded 1 full inch on both sides, opening inside means on a wrong side fabric with my interfacing, and I just have a fold my patch on a half. So now I can sew on all the side. This side is already closed, but I just want to sew like a 1/4 inch so I can have a both top and bottom with the stitches. But it's up to you, it's optional. You want to use just a 1 stitch on a closing, you can do that one. Okay, so let's head to our sewing machine now. We're just going to close up this while gonna leave opening from both sides for our corset loops. So now we're just gonna flip inside out. And after that we will be just ironing our. Okay, as you can see, it's become nice tube, and once we have iron, then that will be becoming a more neat. After ironing, then we will be attaching our loops on both sides, and our project will be almost finished. Here is our corset belt almost prepared. I already have ironed my full patch and it's look very nice. And if you see, I have used a pin on 1 inch distance. That's my mark. Rather than using any marker or fabric chalk, I prefer to have a pin so my project stay clean. And then I have a cut 2 inches cord for my loops. So I have a 6 loops on one side and 6 on the other side. So total I have a 12 cord loops here. And simply I just going to be folding them in half, and then we will be just placing inside and stitch on top of this. Okay, and also it's optional if you want to do an extra stitch on a sides of your belt as well. So let me head to my sewing machine and you can have idea how to attach these cords as a loop. Okay, so our one side loops are prepared. I'm going to do exactly same on other side too, and then I will be back. I'm also going to add one also 1/4 inch stitch so our loops can be also secure, and also that will give a more neat clean edge. Thank you so much for watching our today's sewing project. As you can see, we have created a gorgeous corset belt. If you really get inspired by our today's sewing project, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends so many people can learn about sewing, cooking, and DIY projects. I love you all. God bless you all. Be safe wherever you are and have a lovely, fabulous day. Bye-bye.